Blank page, essay due. 3 hours left, you've scrolled, made coffee, stared at nothing. Everything except the one thing that matters. You're not lazy. You never were. Your brain reads the blank page as a threat. Psychologists call it cognitive load paralysis. That's not weakness, that's wiring. AI just rewired the game. The 5 tools, ChatGPT topic. Tone, word count, done. Full structured essay, returned in seconds. Steve Jobs never waited for perfect. He shipped, then refined. Start ugly, finish strong. Jenni AI built for academic writing only. Auto-completes mid-thought, pulls real citations, like a PhD student finishing your sentences. Quillbot, your draft sounds robotic and stiff? Quillbot restructures, elevates, sharpens. You, but the smartest version. Grammarly, Go, rewrites full paragraphs, adjusts tone, kills weak sentences before they cost you. Oprah rewrote obsessively. This does it in seconds. Copy.ai intros and conclusions, your 2 biggest struggles. Feed it your thesis, it builds both. Hooks that grab, closings that land. The trap, raw AI output submitted unedited, that's where students collapse. Argument falls apart. Voice disappears. Malcolm Gladwell used every tool, but his thinking was always his own. Tools amplify thinkers. They expose everyone else. The fix, give AI your messy, rough thoughts first. Edit every paragraph. Change 3 sentences minimum. Read it out loud. Rewrite until it sounds like you. AI gives the clay, you build the sculpture. The truth. The winning students aren't the smartest. They're directing AI like a weapon. Prompting is a skill. Editing output is a skill. Bruce Lee didn't invent fighting. He mastered every tool and made it his. That's the real skill now. Don't be the blank page. Use one tonight. Right now.